Hello guys, it's me Ayos on Ayos videos. On today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to translate from one language with another language on your phone. But before we start the video, I want to thank you guys for viewing my video and subscribing. And then I want to show you a new development in my channel. So I've created a new YouTube channel now. The name of the YouTube channel is Ayos Video House Short. So if you want to subscribe to my new YouTube channel, just search Ayos Video House. If you search it will bring out my original channel. At the top, let's go to the down. You will see my new YouTube channel. I've only posted one video on it because this YouTube channel will be based on video less than 1 minute. For example, of the video, I will attach it to this video. As you can see, this video is less than 1 minute. So you can subscribe to this YouTube channel for short video. And then that's the new development I want to show you guys. So let's go to the real video.